Hi, my name is Law Junsen with metric number 03DDT17F2004.
My name is Erwin Ong and my metric number is 03DDT17F2003.
Nama saya Elijah Jin, saya dari kelas DTT 5A. Nombor metrik saya ialah 03DTT17202001.
Nama saya Tan Wuhan. Nombor metrik saya 03 DDT 17 F2014.
Today, we will show you our presentation with title One-to-One Tuition Booking System, Tutor. Okay, so we start with the chapter 1, Introduction. Tutor apps is a platform to bring convenience to those students who need it. It's also an application to let the user find the related tutor to learn some lesson from them. Tutor apps also can find a suitable tutor and arrange the time and location with tutor. Everyone is able to register be a tutor. Tutor can arrange their free time, so everyone can be a learner to learn the other's new skill. Okay, this is the first part of chapter 1, problem statement. They have nobody to provide this service to those who need it. Time is not flexible and the location is constant. Let users are able to manage their own leisure time and the suitable location to learn. Next, objective. Our main objective for developing this application is for students. This application will let students to search for the tutor who's suitable to. Example 1. Ali meet the difficult question and need to solve the problem in study or homework. He can search the tutor who had the knowledge or experience in the related course. Example 2. Exam is around the corner. Siti has no idea to do the revision, so she can search for the tutor who is professional in this related course. Example 3. Lau wants to learn how to play the basketball. He also can search for the basketball player to teach him some skill. Third part is project significance. Helps tutor to arrange their daily schedule and this will ease the tutor to work. Help parents to check schedule of tutor and make sure tutor are free on the time. User can call or message privately to the tutor who you interested. Choose their favorite tutor by refer to list of tutors. The fourth part is limitation of the project. First, pupils may do not how to use the application, especially for those who lack of awareness of modern technology. Example, pupils are not able to use smartphone or surf on the internet, so they can download this application from internet. Second, lack of trust. Example, they will face some problem for using this application due to lack of understanding while using this application. So, they will lose the trust in this application. Third, cannot fully understand a personality of tutor. Example, this application can only help user to contact the tutors because it will not show the details information of tutor such as the attitude of tutor. This is the fifth part of the chapter 1, Gantt chart. The table also shows how we plan the weeks for developing this application.
The next chapter is chapter 2, literature review. First example is Speedtime online calendar. Speedtime is an online appointment booking system designed to make your life stress-free by creating a platform through which your clients can schedule their appointment directly. The second example is Shopee. Shopee is a Singaporean e-commerce platform. It serves users in Southeast Asia and Taiwan to buy and sell products online. The example 3 is Trivago. The Trivago app instantly compares over 1.8 million hotels worldwide from over 180 and plus Booking sites. All you have to do search is by city, address, or point of interest to find your ideal hotel for the best price. The 2.4 is functional and non-functional. Functional requirement. User can search for the tutor in main menu. User can chat with the tutor. User can find a suitable time to book the lesson with tutor. Can make a payment, can rate the tutor. Non-functional requirement. User and tutor can log in easily with function Remember Me. User and tutor can sign in and log in. User can search for the tutor easily with function filter. User can chat with tutor easily only with one tap.
Now I want to present methodology. The methodology that we use in our application is Agile methodology. Why we choose Agile methodology in our application? This is because Agile methodology is a process that helps teams provide quick and applicable response to the feedback they receive on their project. It creates opportunity to assess a project direction during the development cycles. Teams assess the project in regular meetings called sprint and iteration. In this project is using the Agile methodology. This is because it can help to finish the project and really implement the project in short times. Besides that, this method is focused on user feedback, and this system can repeat to make the implementation based on the user feedback. And this can help project to eliminate reworks. This system can just focus on the problem and to make a solution or to make an implementation. Now is data collection and analysis activity. In requirement phase, in this phase, planning had been done. After discussion with the project supervisor, our project name is one-to-one tuition booking system. This application is a platform to provide the tuition service to those who need it. Design phase. In this phase, this application is developed by using Android Studio and Firebase. We design UML diagram for our application. We also start to design our application interface. Development phase. In this phase, we start to develop the application. We build the application by using Android Studio and implement Firebase. Testing. In this phase, we test our application to make sure every function are running well. We want to make sure database is stored properly in Firebase. Deployment. In the last phase, the application will be done and launched in a good condition. This application is ready to launch and ready to let user to use.
Chapter 4 is result and finding. 4.1 Functional and non-functional. Functional requirements. User can search for the tutor in main menu. User can chat with the tutor. User can find the suitable time to book the return with tutor. User can make a payment. User can rate the tutor. Tutor can upload pictures. Tutor can add and adjust their free time. Tutor can receive the message from user. Tutor can modify their profile. Non-functional requirement. User can and tutor can log in easily with function Remember Me. User and tutor can sign in and log in. User can search for the tutor easily with functional filter. User can chat with tutor easily only with one tap. The last is user can make a payment through PayPal or Google Play. 4.2 Risk Management Database. Type of risk management is technology risk, unstable connection between software and database, insufficient of methods in interaction with database, risk analysis. The probability of the risk is high. The effect of the risk may define as serious. Risk planning. Identification the possibility of buying a higher performance database. Risk monitoring. Always check the speed of connection between database and software. Always check, test, and determine the functional of method and that provided by database company. Hardware performance. Type of risk is technology risk. Mobile device that below the APUI 16. Differentiation of developed requirement for larger operation system. Risk analyzing. The probability of the risk is low. The effect of the risk may define as tolerable. Risk planning. Investigation or the possibility of method development that's suitable to all mobile devices. Risk monitoring. Test all the specified mobile device that meet the problem before develop new function or a new activity. Always check the test of the function of software and record the problem with API for resolve. 4.3 Development tools and configuration management. Development tools for software, we need to use Android Studio 3.4 and the database. For the hardware, we need to use laptop and the smartphone. Configuration management planning. A configuration management plan details how we will record, track, control, and audit configuration. This document is often part of the project quality management plan. Identification or configuration requirements of a program should be identified and recorded. That includes functionality requirements, design requirements, and any other specifications. The completion of this project results in the configuration baseline for the project. The last one is control. As the project scope is altered, the input to the configuration must be assessed, approved, and documented. This is normally done within the project change control process.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you.